Peel the potatoes. Wash the potatoes. Cut the potatoes. Put the potatoes in a pot. Add water. Add salt. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. The ingredients: mash the potatoes, add pepper, add flour, add fine herbs, add cheese, add breadcrumbs, add eggs, add cornstarch, put oil on your hands, shape into balls. Heat oil in a pan. Cook the potato balls till they turn brown. Put them on a plate. Ready to serve. Have a nice meal.